Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com, a 100% free service for smart investors and traders. All we ask in return, please refer a friend. Today is Wednesday. It is August the 29th, 2012. We're looking at the gold chart, maybe the silver chart as well. And you could also trade, so there's a couple other actual metals out there, precious metals that you could trade. So there's some ETFs I've already seen that look pretty good to me. You can go to the free website at PerfectStockAlert.com and check out those. For now, I'm just going to be showing you the gold and silver chart. You guys can play off of that however you'd like. Basically, we told you like last week sometime we had this nice move here. It was actually too many days to the upside for me to get involved at that time. We were also up over the 70 line where you start to get overbought. You start to get a pullback at that point. That makes sense. So I told you wait for a pullback. Well, we're now starting to get a pullback. I can't talk. Start getting the pullback. We want to be buyers of this situation here. And the reason being quite simple. You have a resistance here, 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 and here. That 1630 resistance is roughly where that line is at. And that's now going to be acting as support. And again, the more time something gets tested, the stronger that thing is. And once you break above that strong resistance point, you become strong support. So basically, at about the middle Bollinger Band line, you're going to be having that confluence as well. So lots of support here. You're probably only going to get in a sell-off here ahead of the Fed. That people start to worry, well, maybe the Fed's not going to give us QE3 or something, and so you could start to get a pullback there. You want that pullback. You want that as a buying opportunity. And then, of course, if you want to wait to the very last second to do your buying, here's how you do it. And this is the way I would do it. You'll notice here that you've got, let me clean that up. You've got this high point here, and the following day you get a lower high, lower point here, lower low, lower high continues, lower low continues. As long as that's the trend, you leave it alone. As soon as that changes and you take out a single high, you start buying with a stop off the low, 1 cent below the low point. That's how I would trade that. Right now you're still pulling back, but I want you watching this for that move to the upside. It is coming. Silver looks quite similar. However, I would actually pass on silver. Main thing being here for me, the overall chart pattern is not as strong, and your pullback here is not as tempting for me. You hardly pull back at all, so I'd just rather not be a buyer of silver. What we have here is a nice move to the upside here, pulled back down, found a low, and then started to consolidate at this level here, and then we start to move up here, breaking out of previous resistance. However, you don't have the consolidation period that you do on gold on the silver chart here, so it's not as strong. In this case here, a pullback even to this point would still not be as strong. The support is way down here in this particular case, so you want a situation to be a little bit deeper than that to be more confident. So in this case, we just don't have that, so I would be a buyer of gold rather than silver personally. If you've not been to our free website at PerfectStockAlert.com, it's right there. It's 100% free, and all we ask in return, please refer a friend. And the easiest way to do that is please share our videos online. That helps us. The more you help us, the more we can help you. It's a win-win as long as people are doing their part. I'm doing mine. Are you doing yours? God bless. Take care. I'll see you tomorrow. Please take a moment to review our disclaimer. The information provided herein is our opinion only. Under no circumstances do any statements here represent a recommendation to buy or sell securities or make any kind of an investment. You are responsible for your own due diligence. To summarize, we do not provide investment advice, nor do we make any claims or promises that any information here will lead to a profit, loss, or any other result. These videos are for educational purposes only.